Yeah, bro. What's going on, man? What you got you need towed? Those three on that side? All three of those? Okay, you got it. Fixing to load up. Charge your green Acura. Yeah, I'm gonna get two. I'm gonna grab two right now and get them out of here. But we'll see what happens, man. You can't never tell with these gas station impounds. Any one of these cars could be from a shop or a business next door. You just can't. There's no way to know where these cars came from. We're back over here and go ahead and hook the Acura. I'm gonna go ahead and get it on the hook. Somebody may have just parked that one overnight. I think this was abandoned. I think the other two were they're just trying to free park on this guy's property. They're both got tires pumped up and they look like they're operable. Anyway, I got him hooked. I'm gonna go ahead and ride him up, man, and roll. Ride him up, strap down, and get back up north. It is what it is, man. It's what we do. Pull up and get them. Anyway, we're rolling back toward the house. I'm actually out here at Armour Drive. This is the section right here where they burned down the bridge. They burnt the bridge down in this area here. And what the hell? But this is where they set that fire up under the bridge a couple of years back. Caused all that problem in Atlanta with the traffic, man. The bridges came down right here on 85. I got a caliper locked up on my wheel lifter right here. I tell you, yeah, it locked down the brake. I checked the brake and everything. It's locked the hell down. I guess it's rusted. But it wasn't locked. Didn't lock up till I pulled out on the Armour. But I know it. I'm gonna see if I can back up and get the brake loose. See, it's not locked going backwards. Let's see. The other one I got pulled flat. Anyway, I pulled out of that station and the hub locked up on me on this car. It's because it's rusted is what it is. Yeah, the hub's straight up locked up on me. I'm gonna go in here and ask these people if I can drop this car. I can't drive it with it. with a hub locked up. We're gonna ask this people right here if I can leave it here for a minute. Well, anyway, we found a spot we could drop this this vehicle at. This lady that runs this I think it's a storage place. She's gonna let me park in here for an hour, and it won't get towed again. I went in and asked permission. Anyway, brakes down, front wheel drive. This is the hub that's locked down. Do not know what's caused it to lock, but it is locked. I even put penetrating oil on it. But it's not rear wheel drive. It does not have, this thing don't have no rear axle, man. It's just this is what happens on occasion, man. I'm just glad it didn't happen on the interstate. Anyway, I'm gonna roll. Be back down here in a minute to get it. That's what happens. Anyway, we got back down there and got this Integra with the locked hub. Now I'm gonna run back to the yard. Anyway, stay tuned. Hey there, we're back. We got another one over here. Pulling up this 2019 tag over here. We're gonna go ahead and load it up. See what happens. I'm sure they ain't gonna be happy about it. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. What's going on, man?
On your way.
Nah, you good.
Which one you coming to get?
That Infinity back there.
Oh, I'm about to move it.
Man, how many cars you got?
I know, right?
Hey, does it move?
Uh-huh.
Does it move right now?
Yeah.
All right. All you gotta do is call the office, man. They won't tow them.
Man, what the deal is, and you probably know, every month they come out, or every 2 months they put it on there, and we go up there every time and tell them, look, man.
Well, you know why they do this? Because the code enforcement come through.
Oh, does it?
They have code enforcement come through. If they get cited, it's $1,000 per car.
Oh.
So the owner of the property, they make them do it.
Oh. Okay.
They don't want to tow.
Oh, okay.
They don't want to tow. Anyway, just you got to talk to somebody. It's got 2019 on it.
Yeah, we drive it every day.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, to the bus stop, man.
Just call the office, talk to them.
Okay.
Let them know what's going on.
Okay, I appreciate it, man.
Like I said, it does run. I'm not hooked to it, so you got the opportunity to do that.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? That's the way the law works. I ain't hooked to it.
Okay.
So I'm not going to try to tow it. I ain't hooked to it. You're here. Okay. You say it runs. It's up to you to talk to the office.
Okay, cool.
Have a good one, man.
Thank you so much.
Yep, take care. You too, man.
You got enough room to get by?
Yeah, I get by. I'm good.
Okay,
I think it'd be a whole lot easier just to get the tag, man. It'd be a lot easier. Just get your tag straight. That way you ain't got to talk to the office every month. Anyway, we're going to roll to the next one. Welcome back. We just rolled into another property. Somebody's got a wrecked car back here. This property wants it gone, but we're fixing to yank it. It's pretty rough. Throw all the trash in the dumpster. I'm not riding down the road with that crap. Whoever this person is, man, set all their stuff on top of the car. Hell, I didn't know I had all the loose parts in it. I'm not surprised, man. This is what kind of they do.